Coconut, the tropical treasure. Introduction to coconut. Coconut is not just a delicious fruit but also a versatile resource with a rich history in tropical cultures. Often referred to as a tree of life, the coconut palm, Cocos nucifera, provides a wide range of benefits, from its edible flesh and milk to its water, oil, and fibers. Known for its hard outer shell and refreshing water, the coconut is truly a unique fruit. Scientific name: Cocos nucifera. Family: Arecaceae palm family. Native to Southeast Asia, Indian Ocean region and Pacific Islands. Grown in tropical regions worldwide, especially in Southeast Asia, India, the Caribbean, and the Philippines. Types of coconut. There are a few varieties of coconuts, each offering unique features. 1. Green coconut. Often harvested when the coconut is young and still filled with coconut water, the green coconut has a softer, thinner outer shell and is commonly used for hydration. 2. Brown coconut. This is the mature coconut with a hard, brown outer shell and filled with firm white coconut flesh, meat, and coconut water. 3. Dwarf coconut. A smaller, earlier maturing variety with smaller coconuts but often higher quality water. 4. Tall coconut. The most common variety, these coconuts are taller and produce larger fruits with thicker shells and more coconut meat. Nutritional value of coconut, per 100 gram. Calories, 354 kilocalories. Carbohydrates, 15.23 gram, natural energy. Fiber, 9 gram, supports digestion. Fat, 33.5 gram, healthy fats including medium-chain triglycerides. Protein, 3.3 gram, supports muscle repair. Vitamin C, 3.3 milligram, immunity booster. Potassium, 356 milligram, supports heart health. Iron, 2.5 milligram, supports red blood cell production. Magnesium, 32 milligrams, supports bone health. Health benefits of coconut. 1. Rich in healthy fats. Coconut is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are easily digestible fats that can boost energy and help with weight management. 2. Boosts heart health. Despite its fat content, coconut oil contains lauric acid, which may help increase HDL cholesterol, good cholesterol, and reduce the risk of heart disease. 3. Improves digestion. The fiber in coconut helps maintain gut health, regulate bowel movements, and prevent constipation. 4. Supports hydration. Coconut water is a natural electrolyte drink, helping keep you hydrated and replenishing lost minerals, making it a great post-workout drink. 5. Supports immune function. Coconut water and coconut products have antioxidant and antimicrobial properties that help protect the body from infections and boost immunity. 6. Improves skin and hair health. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer and is often used for skin care to treat dry skin, eczema, and to prevent aging. It's also a popular ingredient in hair treatments for soft, shiny hair. 7. Boosts brain function. The MCTs found in coconut oil may help improve cognitive function and may be beneficial for people with Alzheimer's disease or other memory-related conditions. Fun facts about coconut. 1. Coconut trees can live for over 100 years, producing coconuts year-round and thriving in tropical regions. 2. Coconut water is naturally sterile in its young form and has been used for emergency intravenous fluids in extreme situations. 3. Coconuts are technically considered a drupe, not a nut. A drupe is a type of fruit with a hard outer shell protecting the seed inside. 4. Coconut shells are often used to make crafts, bowls, and utensils, while the husk is utilized for making ropes and mats. 5. Coconut water is a natural energy drink rich in potassium, and it's often referred to as the natural sports drink. 6. Coconut oil is known for its high smoke point, making it a great choice for cooking at high temperatures without breaking down into harmful compounds. How coconut grows. 1. Coconut trees are tall, palm-like trees that grow in tropical climates with plenty of sunlight, water, and salt. 2. The coconut fruit grows in large clusters, with each tree producing hundreds of coconuts throughout its lifetime. 3. Coconuts mature in about 12 months and can be harvested when the fruit is fully ripened and has hardened into its brown, hairy outer shell. 4. The coconut flower blooms from the top of the tree, with the male and female flowers being on different parts of the tree. Uses of coconut. 1. Coconut water. The clear liquid found inside young green coconuts is a refreshing drink, packed with electrolytes, potassium and natural sugars. It's perfect for rehydrating after exercise. 2. Coconut milk. Made by extracting the liquid from grated coconut flesh. Coconut milk is a rich and creamy ingredient used in many curries, soups, smoothies and desserts. 3. Coconut oil. Derived from the flesh of mature coconuts, coconut oil is used for cooking as well as a beauty product for skin and hair care. 4. Coconut flesh meat. The firm white flesh inside mature coconuts is often eaten raw, used in desserts, cakes and granola bars or dried for shredded coconut. 5. Coconut flour. Made by grinding dried coconut flesh. Coconut flour is a gluten-free alternative to wheat flour, used in baking and cooking. 6. Coconut chips. Thinly sliced coconut flesh can be baked or fried into crispy coconut chips that are a healthy snack option. 7. Coconut shells. The hard shells can be used for crafts, bowls and scoops and are also carbonized to make charcoal. Conclusion. Coconut is one of the most versatile fruits on the planet, offering everything from refreshing coconut water to creamy coconut milk and healthy coconut oil. Not only is it delicious, but it's also a nutrient powerhouse that can support hydration, digestive health and skin care. Whether you enjoy it as a drink, in your meals or in beauty products, coconut is a tropical treasure that has something to offer for everyone.